Hey, let's check out the Wooster Pro paintbrush. What I love about this brush is that it is small and compact. It's got really nice bristles, and it's got a small, nice handle. Fits right into your hand. That way you can maneuver and paint in tight corners. It's great for cutting. It's great for painting. It's just a really nice overall brush for whatever you need to do. Now I'll show you some various projects that I've worked on. This brush worked great for cutting and painting my cabinet. There was a lot of tight angles and corners on this, and I was able to accurately paint. It's also great for trim, baseboard, and molding. It retains the paint very well and helps eliminate dripping. And like I previously stated, this is great for really tight angles and corners where a long-handled brush would be difficult to hold. The 2-inch brush will fit in tight spots, but it also gives good coverage, and it's really good for cutting.